Okay, so in question 4, we're given a circle. It says the diameter of the circle is 9 centimeters, and we're asked to work out the circumference of the circle, giving our answer to 3 significant figures. Now, I tell my students this all the time. You're absolutely crazy if you go into your exam not knowing the formula for area and circumference of a circle, because they do often get tested and you can't get the marks if you don't know the formula. So just learn it. The circumference of a circle is equal to pi times by the diameter. Now, the other thing to be very careful of is some students are quite used to using pi as 3.14. Well, you may lose accuracy marks in the exam for using 3.14. What you should be using, if you're going to use a estimate of pi, you should be using 3.142. And if you actually read the front of the paper, it actually states this explicitly to use 3.142 if you're not going to use pi exactly. Okay, let's answer the question now. So the circumference here is going to be, I'm going to use the pi button on my calculator to do this. Pi times by the diameter, pi times 9, which is going to be, and let's get the calculator up. So just clear it off from the last question and move it over here. So the pi button is just down here. I need to use shift and press this button here. Pi times 9. First thing it's going to tell me is that it's 9 pi. That's okay. I'm going to convert it by pressing the SD button into a decimalized answer. So we get 28.2743338. It asked me to give the answer to 3 significant figures. So I need 28.3. First and foremost, let's write down, I'm going to write down the whole number first and then I'll round it. So 28.2743338. 27 point, or 28.27 should I say, 0.274, 28.2743338, running out of space there. And when we round that, it's going to be approximately to 3 significant figures. It's going to be, so rounding to 3 significant figures is going to be rounding to this digit here, which is the first decimal place, which means we round up because that's a 7, so we get 28.3.